Does a time equal a year in Bible prophecy? And we find the answer in Daniel 4:32. And 7 times shall pass over thee. And 7 times is written and fading in at the top of the cloud to represent this was the dream that Nebuchadnezzar had, with the 7 watches to represent 7 times that are also fading in with a dot coming from the last watch and going over and making the dot of the I in times written in the parchment paper. Shall pass over are the 7 suns representing 7 years fading in under the watches to illustrate that a time equals a year that are made in an arch shape to look like they are passing over. The is the tree, representing Nebuchadnezzar, that God was going to cut down if he did not overcome his pride. The sword, at the bottom line of the 4, is cutting down the tree that was left with a band of iron and brass on it until 7 times passed over him. With the bottom left of the dream cloud, telling that the historian Josephus says Nebuchadnezzar did not rule for 7 years, in parentheses, so we know a time equals a year in Bible prophecy. To remember this is in Daniel, the Daniel feather pen and parchment paper are going to their places. For chapter 4, the black 4 is being traced with falling green leaves. For verse 32, a blue 3 is going from the 4 to the right side of the tree, and a blue 2 is going from the 3 to the right side of the dream cloud. To think the numbers are going down the number line, 4, 3, 2. Now, let's say it together. Daniel 4:32. And 7 times shall pass over thee. Daniel 4:32. And 7 times shall pass over thee. Daniel 4:32. And 7 times shall pass over thee. Daniel 4:32.